Hello, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify your 1xBet account in Bangladesh. To achieve this, it's quite simple. Before we continue, I will advise you to create a professional 1xBet account. To achieve this, you go to registration, choose a registration method of your choice by phone, fill in your informations, then at the level of promo code, type Chelsea TV. This promo code gives you a 300% bonus at your first recharge, which implies that if you put in 10,000, you get 40,000. First, you go to your menu. At the left upmost corner, go to your ID, fill in your whole personal profile details, fill in all the information asked you like surname, first name, date of birth, place of birth, region, residence and address, all the documents asked to you, number, date of issue, and save these informations. Then, when that is done, fill in your email and fill in your phone number and link them to 1xBet. Once that is done, you're going to have a verified account on 1xBet.